and competitors. Do you hear me?
Yes, hello.
Thank you. Let's start our master class. Uh, I hope all the students did first module of test project. Uh, Now I will show you how you needed to perform the first module and what results you should have been get on this model. I show and I show you what you need to perform in the next module, module 2. Now I show you my screen and show my notebook. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Thank you. Uh, This is notebook consists of the information and all the results for module 1. Uh, the first in the first you needed to perform data uploaded. Uh, Yesterday I told about it, and I hope you perform this task. For uploading data, you can use pandas library and function read CSV from pandas library. You need to upload all the SOAP files. There are three files of SOAP. This is one well joined uh, because we have three SOAP file because this is SOAP file it measured three time. Uh, after after this step, you need draw one column and drop one row, the first row and the first column. Uh, After this step, you need perform cleaning data of all outliers and anomalies. You can you can use the function pd point to numeric. Uh, After perform this function, you can see the data frame without any outliers and anomalies. For example, text information and other symbols. These data frames consist only numbers. After filtration, after delete information about other symbols and information about outliers, so you need choosing right columns. Uh, for perform this step, you can use the function info from pandas data frame. You need write the data frame and use this function. Uh, after after perform this function, you can see that the first 16 columns, the first system columns, uh, consist uh, more values than other columns. Uh, be, this information uh, say about that the first 16 columns is proof columns, is right columns. Uh, Other columns after 16 column uh, are fake column, because these columns consist less uh, less rows, which consist not a number values. This step we can perform for all the SOAP files. After finish this step, uh, you can you needed to perform preliminary study data uh, for perform analysis of the variables is presented in a tabular form. You could use function describe. After finish this step, you can use the function hist, and for example, this cycle for create histograms or distribution for each sub files. This is histograms for SOP one file. This is histograms for SOP two file. This is histograms for SOP 3 file. Uh, the next step you needed to perform and plot coordinate values for each SOP. You could use the function pair plot from library Seaborn. SNS, this is short name Seaborn library. Seaborn library, and after finish this step, you can create graphs of amplitude versus distance. Graphs. You could use the function plot. PLT. This is matplotlib library. Matplotlib library. This library. This is short name from library matplotlib point pyplot. This is library for uh, plot graphs. After finish this step, you need create box plots or diagrams box box plot diagrams. Uh, this is diagrams you needed to create for each SOP. SOP 1, SOP 2, SOP 3. And after finish this step, you need to perform definition of testing methods. Uh, we I told yesterday that we have three type method: echo method, shadow method, and echo contact method. Uh, for de determine control method, you need to perform the first smoothing data. For smoothing data, you could use LAWS method or 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 Mian method and or median method. You can use in this notebook. I used LAWS method. Laves method. I created time range for each SOP and then created data frame, which is a copy of ours data frame, in order to subsequently fill it with smoothed values. And in the next cycle consist original data, which are red color, and filtered data with help function Laves method for smoothing, which color blue. This is original and smoothing data in one graph for each column for each SOP. For SOP 1, for SOP 2, for third SOP. And then use the table, one from description of Puzaka, and use these graphs and use these diagrams. We can say about which method, echo or echo contact or shadow method, uh, uh, you could create table with right classifiers method. Uh, you need create the same table, and the first column is echo method, uh, second column echo method, third and fourth column echo method. Uh, 5 and 6 column shadow method, 7 and 8 column echo method, 9, 10, 11, 12 echo contact method, 13, 14 column shadow method, uh, and 15, 16 echo contact method. Uh, that's all of the action from this model. And I hope you did all this action, and I want to uh, show you what you will do in the next model 2. I open the description of model 2. The name this model, study of parameters affecting the target variable, preliminary data preparation. Uh, in the next step of this model, you need to perform determination of distance between sounding patterns. The first paragraph from this model, you need to perform cross correlation function uh, for determination of distance between sounding patterns. Uh, and the next step from this paragraph, you need describe uh, describe about high correlation of variables in your report. And the next step, you need define the distance between the sounding patterns has been determined. You need define you need you need find how to match the distance from twin scheme to Hort scheme. In Puzaka consists two scheme sound, twin and Hort scheme. You need found how much distance between from these sounding schemes. The next paragraph, the name definition of sounding patterns. In this paragraph, you need find sounding patterns, chord and twin, for each column of your data, and find sounding patterns echo longitudinal contact, echo transverse contact, shadow for each column of your data. And the next step, you need find sounding patterns for side A and side B. And after perform all these steps, you need reconstruct table one. Table one, just a moment. This table one, you need reconstruct this table one and from this model. In the next paragraph about conversion to the common coordinate, uh, you need one verse, just a moment, and you and you need after finish all the step for this model, you need create a report like the report which I showed you. This is good report. This report conclude all the information and all the comment, all the comment for each action. You need commented all your action and uh, and create header or other comments. Uh, Now you need create IPNB with name CX M2. M2, this is model 2. Uh, and make PDF or HTML file and IPNB file. That's all. If you have any questions, you can ask me about it and ask other experts in our Telegram or our classroom. This model will be share you in our Telegram in 15 o'clock MSK. Dear experts, dear colleague, are you here?
Yes. Dmitry, I hear you. I hear you. You finish?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. And I can start?
Yes, you can.
Yes. Thank you very much. Dear colleagues, I'd like to start work with you. And dear participants, dear our competitors, it was information for you, and you should start to do the module number 2. And I ask you to leave our meeting, and only experts will stay here, please. Do you hear me, dear competitors? I ask only experts stay here with us, and our competitors should go to do and start to do the module number 2. And all competitors go to do the task or not yet. Only experts should stay here with me because our next information only for experts. Okay, I hope with us stay only experts and the experts. Today we start the work which is related with checking the results of our members of our participants. And now we have several works. Just a moment. 12 works of our participants. And what we will do. First of all, I have divided you into 5 groups. Yes, into 5 groups. And now I share my screen and show you the members of our teams. And today we will work on the with team number 1. And now I want to check the members of this group. First member is from Brazil, Elvis Raposo Pontes. Elvis, do you hear? Dear Elvis, if you hear, please let me know. Elvis, okay, I'm going to chat. Yes, I'm here. Okay. Elvis, it's you write me in the chat, yes? And next, 2 guys from China. It's I'm afraid to pronounce your name with mistakes, and maybe your interpreter will help me.
Okay. What's the name?
With name and with name. These guys are here. Please let me know.
Китайского надо переводчика. You should ask
Да.
Chinese interpreter.
Yes, it's Chinese interpreter. Yes,
She's not online.
she's not online. Oh, it's very bad. It's really very bad. And what we will do with Chinese guys?
Well, I don't know. Maybe she is, but no answer.
And I can't watch you, her, or his in my list. Ладно. Anna Maria from Ecuador, are you here? Anna Maria from Ecuador. This is interesting situation because why? Because Anna Maria have done the task, and I think she is a competitor too. And her role is a competitor, and so I think we have a team number 4 and 5 members into this group, and please, William, dear William from Ecuador, are you here? William from Ecuador, are you here? From team number 4. Not yet, okay. From Brazil, Lewis, are you here? Somebody from team number 4, are you here?
Yeah, Michael is here.
Who is?
Michael Fusu Ofori.
Could you please type it in chat?
Okay.
The name was not configured. Now. Team number 4. Michael.
Yes.
Michael from team number 4, yes? Michael from Hana, yes? Michael is here. Okay,
Ghana.
Michael, Ghana, yes, Ghana. Michael, I could you ask you to add to team number 1 here and check the module number 1 and I remove you from team number 4 to team number 1. Okay, instead Anna Maria, because Anna Maria now is a competitor.
That's fine.
Okay, thank you. And Anna Maria, this is our competitor. Okay, and my dear colleagues, you should know that usually in the championship we divide an experts to the team, and each team consists of only 3 members, only 3 members. It's a rule of each championship, and its rule is connected with main documentation and main rules of the World Skills Championship. You should know. But today we have a summer camp, and today we have a learning process, yes, and we learn how to we organize the championship and how we take part into the championship, and we have discussed with chief experts, and we decided that our because we have 20 experts, 20 experts and 5 modules, and we divide 20 to 5, and so we have 4 members in each team. 4 members in each team. Okay. And
Hey, sorry, I have a question.
okay.
I'm an expert from the China Euro University. I'm as an expert, but in this list miss me. Yes, I think last Saturday, we want to update the expert Excel document, but I saw your list. This list missed me. Yeah, I want to say there, yes, miss me in this list.
Okay, I understand you. And doesn't matter in what team you want to add. Number 1, number 2, number 3, what team?
But maybe I we our team member Ma Linhua professor part in the team 3.
Team
I
3.
think if possible, I want
Yes.
to join the team 3.
Yes, it's possible. Yes, of course. Could you put your name, please, in chat room, and I will add you to team number 3. Doesn't matter.
China. The first name is Chen. The second name Li Pingchen. Li Pingchen.
I'm sorry, but
Li
it's very difficult to me to type your name without mistakes.
Li. Yes, how to spell it? Liping.
Could you please type it into the chat?
Okay, okay.
This is your name, yes? Li Ping Cheng, yes?
No.
Not?
Yes, okay.
Okay. And I copy it to team number 3. Yes? I have do it correct? And from this university too, yes?
Yes, all right.
And female, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Maybe are there somebody who was missed too? Okay. Okay, and what we will do today? Uh, mm, we have a schedule, and according to this schedule, we have 5 competition days. The first day was today until today. Yes, until today, 2 o'clock p.m. according to Moscow time zone. And today we have a 12. Today we have now. I show you. And today we have a 12 works from. Oh, sorry, it's not this. I'm sorry. Brick summer camp. Go to Brick summer camp and show you. And show yes, 12 works from our participants, and our participants I can see here. And unfortunately, other participants have not done their results. I don't know why. Only 12 participants from different countries. And I have a table for evaluation. Now, just a moment, I will show it to you. Maybe this table is not ready yet in the process and the progress, and for each, but I tried to describe it for all experts, because all of you will take part in the process of evaluation. Yes, today we will work with team number 2. After tomorrow we'll work with team number 3, and so on. Is it clear? For all, is it clear? And today we will start with to work with team number 1. Look carefully, please. Here you can see the sub-criteria for each criteria. And now I show you the assessment scheme. And this assessment scheme for our test project. Yes, and as you can see, this scheme has 6 criteria. And first criteria, it's maybe equal to module number 1, data loading, preparation, and preliminary study. So here you can see sub-criteria, data loading, distribution of variables, data cross classifications, and so on. Totally 4 sub-criteria. And for each sub-criteria, we have several aspects. And now I remind you that if you have objective aspect, objective aspect, and there are 2 types of an objective aspects. It's a binary and discrete. And if we have only we have not any information, only maximum points, how many maximum points or weight of this criteria, of this aspect, we put the mark yes or not. If our participants do technical information, and all technical information is excluded in the result of their works, we put 0.5, a half of point, yes, because it's a maximum mark. If not, nothing. If not, nothing. 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, Coordinates are separated from the data array. Binary 2, if yes, if we show it in the result, in the work of our participants, we put 0.5, if not 0. It's a binary evaluation, binary assessment, and if it should be clear for us. Yes or not. And if yes, put maximum points and all. Next, and next we have a discrete assessment, discrete aspects, and this case we should decide what number of points you will put to this aspect. For example, table contains quartile values high and lower and minus 0.5 for each missing quartile. But could you pay your attention, please, to the maximum points? 0.5. What does it mean? It means even even only one quartile is missing, you should put 0. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter that we have 4 quartiles. Yes, if only one is missing, we put 0 minus 0.5 from 0.5. It's equal 0. Next, and next the same. But for example, could you please here data classification by control methods and aspect is a hermetic marks are defined correctly and minus 0.5 for each missing. What does it mean? Maximum 2 points, and it will be possible to put 2 points, 1,5 points, 1 point, and 0.5 and 0 points. 5 different points you should put here, and only one judgment aspect, visual aspect of report, visual aspect, yes. And here we can work all together, and each of you should put 0, 1, 2, or 3, and deviation between your marks will not be more than 1 point. Yes, in this case, you should redo this work and recheck and to do it another time. Dear colleagues, is it clear or not? Please feel free to ask me, because you will work with this information and do assessment for our result team number 1. And today we try to start to do it all together. And now I want to ask Dmitry. Dmitry, are you here? Dmitry Raspopov. Дима, ты меня слышишь? Дмитрий или Павел?
Yes, I hear you.
Yes, Dmitry, could you please share for our experts the folders with results, and could you please get us the link?
Yes, I share for all the experts this folder in our Telegram.
In our Telegram channel.
Just a moment.
And could you put please this link into the Telegram channel and to the chat room in the Zoom? Both places.
We have 12 work.
12 participants, yes, we know about it. And this time, until Dmitry share us the folder, could please your attention could please your attention to the next information. Our competitors and each of our competitors has a unique number. And this number is 7 from this. Just a moment. I will do it visible. Okay, and for just a moment, I will compare the table with result. Dear experts, team number 1, be ready to help me, please. And this student, this competitor is checked. No, checked as a his or her work has posted to our classroom.
This link.
Okay. Could you please, dear team number 1 and another experts, could you please open the link and find the results of module number 1? Could you please do it now? And Dmitry, could you help us in case if our experts will have problems, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You can use that file in our classroom, which write all the results in module 1.
What file?
This file I showed in this masterclass.
Unfortunately, I can remember about what you see.
This file, there is in module 2 task in our classroom. Fuzika module 2 our origin.
Module 2?
This example for experts for correct marks.
And what name of this file?
I can share with this file in our Zoom.
Okay, I stop share my screen, and could you please share your screen?
Just a moment. This file. This file?
No preview available.
You can use this file for example, for correct marks. This file.
Как эталон, as an etalon, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You can use this file.
Okay, but before we will check, I try to understand the number of our competitors and dear participants, I'm very sorry. I will speak Russian because it's a technical information between me and Dmitry. Just a moment. Дима, Павел не доделал файл, вот, в котором мы должны оценивать. И я пытаюсь вот эти листы компетитор 1, компетитор 2 пометить теми номерами, как они помечены в нашем файле.
Ага.
Потому что их же надо будет оценивать, как мы их сейчас будем сопоставлять, потом путаница начнется. Вот я о чем. И мне еще нужно понять, мне сейчас надо им показывать этот файл, а он не готов.
Не, ну мы знаем по сути, где какой номер компетитора. Можем просто оценить, а потом сопоставить. Ну, как бы.
А мы потом не запутаемся?
Да нет, просто писать, что вот C1 это вот столько-то ему баллов, а C там 6 столько-то баллов, и все как бы. А потом, не, мы увидим, мы же в классруме все видим, у нас там все показано, кто какой файл
Одну
отправил.
секундочку, тут Павел звонит. Алло? Ага. Dear colleagues, I'm very sorry. This is a work in process, and we need to discuss the current questions, which is connected with our checking process. It's a new for us because we use this type of communication and checking and assessment first time without a special information system. Yes, champion information system. And please sorry us, we try to do it quickly and good. Okay, and come back to our assessment. And of course we have 12 works and we have five teams, and all experts from team number 1 are here. And Dmitry posted the link to the result of our participants, the experts. All of you, please, have anybody the problem with open this link? Please let me know. Especially team number 1. It's very important. There are not problems, really. Okay. Okay. And please look carefully to the next table. This is a Google form, and we put the marks into this Google form for each our competitor. And this table now in progress, and here competitor number 1, competitor number 2, number 3, number 4, according to the table which is located into our common Google Drive. And here you can see the sub-criteria and aspects. And you can see O1, O2, O3, it's objective aspects, and this aspects is involved into the section number 4 and 2, and we will have another information later because in progress now. And maximum mark for O1 equals 0.5, and aspect is technical information is excluded. And each of you should understand, is it true or is it false? And put here your mark. And what number of experts is how we decide what number you each expert has. Okay, I come back to the okay. Elvis, you will be an expert number 1. Afraid to pronunciate incorrect this name. I'm very sorry, Mr. Dong. You will an expert number 2. Mr. Zhang, Miss Zhang, you will an expert number 3, and Michael from Ghana, number 4. Is it clear? Mr. Elvis, expert number 1. Mr. Dong, number 2. Miss Zhang, number 3. And Mr. Michael, number 4. I'm very sorry if I pronounce it incorrect your name. Very sorry, real. It's very difficult for me. And I put here an expert number 1. Elvis. And expert number 2. It's okay? Expert number 3. And expert number 4. Michael? It's okay. Is it clear? Dear expert, All of you, I agree with me. Is it clear? I can't find the chat room. When I share my screen, it's very difficult for me to find the chat room. I don't know why. Chat room.
Sorry to interrupt. I have a
Okay.
question.
Okay.
So where can we find the criteria file? Where's the criteria file?
Criteria 5.
Файл с критериями.
Yeah, файл с критериями. I haven't posted it yet because, as you can see, this file in progress, and I will post it as soon as this file be ready. Okay, it's after maybe several minutes.
Okay, thanks.
And do you mean this file or not, or another file?
Yeah, these files.
This file, yes. Just a moment, please. In progress. We have 20 computers with numbers 20, 21, 18, and now we copy and multiply this sheet according to our participants, numbers of our participants. Yes. And team number 1. Is it clear about how you should put the marks? And team number 1 and another experts, have you opened the folder with results? All of you have results. Now I stop share the screen and put into the chat room the link. Could you please try to open this file? Could you please open? And this file, and please, I come back to the list of our participants, and the first participant is Mylon Deng. Yes, Mylon Deng from China, and his number 7. His number 7. Could you please open his result? All of you, could you please open his results of all experts? All experts. And maybe somebody from the team number 1, from team number 1, want to share the screen and show us the result? Somebody from team number 1. His, what does it mean, his? His is who? What is his? In chat, Sean wrote file name. I can't understand. What about you, right? What is file name? About what file you write? Which file do we open? Now, all of you, and first of all, team number 1, the member of team number 1, you should open. Just a moment, I share the screen and show you. I try to open the chat room. Okay. And this is our chat room, and this is a link from Dmitry. Yes. and you should try to open this link. And then you open this link, you should find the results of our participants. Please do it. All of you, all experts. It doesn't matter what number of team, all experts please, but first of all, team number 1. And now I try to open this link too, together with you. And now you can show the same screen as me in your computers. And open file. And Дмитрий, could you help me, please? Как мы можем тут найти наших участников? Дмитрий?
Yes.
Дмитрий, could you help us, please? Как мы можем найти здесь участников?
Oh, the competitors must know your number, and the experts must know the numbers of their competitors.
What does it mean? It means that, for example, this file, it's for competitors number 6.
Yes.
And
we
this?
have the table with all the number of competitors.
Yes, I know, but
you can use the table.
Yes, I know what table. Yes, for example, Dmitry, do you help us, please? Could you help us? For example, this guy from China, and his number is 7. His number is 7. Could you please help us to understand what his number, what his result in this folder? For example, for this guy, number 7.
Yes. Just a moment.
Maybe I stop the share screen and you share your screen and tell us.
Could you show the name for these competitors?
What does it mean?
7 competitors.
Дим, не понимаю.
7 competitors.
7 the previous table?
No. Could you show the name in that table, which you showed to me?
This table?
Later, yes. And then these competitors has number 6. C6 M1.
Okay, this competitor M1, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, and next,
yeah.
This?
No.
Number 6.
C6.
Number 6. Number
yes.
6, okay.
Yes.
And this?
16.
Why? It's very interesting. Why here number 8?
Oh.
Why 16?
16.
Okay, next. 8. 8. Okay, next. Next, this one. But why? I don't know.
Don't know.
Where's logic?
We haven't his report.
We have not his report?
Yes.
But I showed his name. Not?
you can watch all the reports for our participants in our classroom in the task module 1. That's like I can demonstrate my screen without your screen. Could you delete your demonstration screen? Thank you. You can use this model 1, view assignment, and view all the competitors, and view all the reports for all the students. Oh, untitled. it's wrong.
And how we will
Yeah,
evaluate him or her?
like this.
But what does it mean?
For
C1
for
M1
each competitor, you need click on his name and watch his and her number.
Oh, I think we should build a new table with the number according to this result, because I think the future result of our participants will be with the same numbers, and it's difficult, some difficult to understand what competitors, what numbers, and I think we should build new table and put the numbers, the correct numbers into this table in future. Yes, maybe tomorrow, maybe today evening. But
Yeah.
okay, I come back to multiple number 1. Just a moment, please. Dear colleagues, we have only 10 minutes before our session will finish, and what we will do. Pavel, do you hear me? Are you here? Just a moment. I have to. you hear me? And together with chief expert and Dmitry, and we have a solution to continue this work with team number 1 from tomorrow. We will check our task, the module number 1, tomorrow here, and tomorrow we will start until tomorrow, all of you, all experts and team number 1, what you should do, please, you have to download the results of module number 1, maybe not download, but you have to understand how you will open the result on your computers, because you will use a special software, Jupyter Notebook, I think, yes, in all cases from all works. And please, maybe it will be better for you if you will download all works to the computer, and from tomorrow we will start to, and from 2 o'clock p.m. The Moscow time, we will start to check the result and put our points to the table, yes. And until tomorrow we will understand what number has each competitor, what number, and build new table for for better understandable. And I think tomorrow we will learn how we'll do it, and maybe not for all 12 works, and maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3, and another 12 works you should check together with a member of your team. Yes, and maybe today you have a time to connect each other, maybe to understand each other, and it's not maybe only for team number 1, for another teams too, and you have a list. I will put the new list into the Telegram channel. Maybe until tomorrow you will understand about how we will do the assessment, and first of all, until tomorrow you should understand what you will work. For example, I suggest you to download all results to computer, and it will be quickly, it will be better, and it will be maybe more comfortable for each of us. And I will download too to my computer for future assessment. Is it clear, dear experts? Is it clear? Because unfortunately we have only 1 hour today into Zoom, and maybe tomorrow we will use Zoom and Google Meeting, both of this platform. We will discuss about it to chief expert. Do you have a question, dear colleagues? I'm very sorry for before the members of team number 1. I think and I hope you will have a time tomorrow to continue with the work, because we are first team. It's our first experience, and maybe today we have some problems, and we want to do our work better and more comfortable for you, and we will remove it for tomorrow. Dear colleagues, please let me know your opinion.
Hi, Olga. I'm
Hi.
sorry, but I have a bigger problem because we still don't have the Google Classroom account. So we can start with the exercise yet. I make contact with Pavel, but he didn't send me the Google Scholar account.
You have not yet Google Scholar accounts?
Not yet.
Yes, not yet. And you write it here. You are from, just a moment. You are from Ecuador, yes?
Yes.
Yes,
The,
and
the
two of you.
three experts and the two competitors doesn't have the account yet.
Okay. Dmitry, do you hear? Dmitry?
I
And
made contact with Pavel, and he graded me maybe 4 or 5 hours ago, and told me that he sent us, but we didn't receive nothing in our emails, and we don't know where we can consult that.
I tried to connect with Dmitry or Pavel. Dmitry or Pavel, are you here?
I'm here.
Pavel, please,
Hi guys.
please answer this question for.
I'm sorry, I don't hear what's happened.
Okay.
Hi, Paul. I'm from the Ecuador team. We all the 5 members not received the Google Scholar the Google Classroom account, so we can start to work on the exercise.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm sorry for these problems for organize experts and competitors. Now, because I don't have before all list from competitors and experts. Now I create Google Forms for all of you, and who don't have Google accounts. You fill these forms, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Before I don't know your email and telephone number. Our security don't want create your account. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Can I? Ой, шум какой-то. Can I interrupt you, please? It's Jose Luis, yes, from Ecuador, and Stewart Solano. Not?
Yes.
What's your name, please?
Is Jose Luis Wambo and Stewart Solano are the competitors.
It's a
And
competitor.
in the other file, there are the names of the experts. That is William Villegas, Bernarda Sandoval, and myself, Ángel Jaramillo.
And so, just a moment, I fix it. And Angel. And what's your name, please?
Angel Jaramillo.
But your colleague, Anna Maria,
Anna Maria
has
Pazmiño,
she has posted. Anna Maria has posted the result to the classroom. I found her result, and
really?
Yes, really, and I understand that Anna Maria is a competitor. Not?
Let me ask, because she's not participating in this month.
Just a moment. I try to find you to show you. Maybe it's my mistake. Just a moment. Oh, sorry. Just a moment. Anna Maria Pazmino. Just a moment. I will share the screen and show you. Just a moment.
Yes, I know.
Here, this is Anna Maria Pazmino. It's your colleague. Is it your colleague?
Yes, but she didn't participate in this meeting and since the beginning of the competition.
But she has posted the result, and I understand that she is participant. Not?
No.
Maybe.
Okay, let me ask with my colleagues, please.
It doesn't matter. And Павел, можем мы can we replace the expert to participants, from group of experts to group to participants? or not? It depends of the age.
Okay, I think that one of our competitors take the Google account from Ana Maria to start to work.
Yes, and it's very interesting because Ana Maria has an account in the Google Classroom.
Okay, let
all
me
of you
ask.
have not, but Ana Maria has.
Okay.
It's very interesting. Okay, I will discuss with Pavel and we will decide what we will do with the situation. Okay, maybe
Okay,
it doesn't matter. She was an expert, but she now she is an participant, and maybe she for her it's more clear. For example, about task and site, about how how our participants should do it. Maybe it's very interesting experience, I think. Yes, because we are an experts and we will work from one side, and our participants will work from another side, inside maybe, and it's different type of works, and maybe for her it's very interesting experience, really. Okay, dear participants, dear experts, anybody have some question for me or for our team? So all teams can look at the submitted work. Yes, yes. Could you please all teams? Because today our task is understand how we will work in our next days. How we will download the result, how we will check the result. Yes, and what links. Understand about links to the results, to the table for estimation, and so on. And please, it's common task for all team. Yes, and today we will try to start with team number one, because unfortunately it's not possible, and it is related with current problems, current problems with, for example, numbers of competitors. And now we will compare the number and the works into our classroom. And from tomorrow, I think we will start and do it more easy, for example. Okay, do you have some questions, dear colleague? And Pavel maybe will try to help our colleagues from Ecuador to build a account. Yes, and Pavel, do you hear?
Yes, I hear.
Yes.
I create forms for registration in OEAT.
And maybe, Pavel, my suggestion is maybe we allow to our participants from Ecuador to do the module number one until tomorrow.
Yes, we all our competitors may take some times for develop and decide first model.
Okay.
Okay.
Michael, is it clear? For your competitors from your country, now it's possible to do module number one together with module number two until tomorrow. Okay, yes, because they had not an account, and they had not possibility to post their results to our system. Yes, because they have not accounts. And now it is possible to download the result of module number one along with module number two.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay. Dear colleagues, any questions, please?
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I think all is well, but I will plead with you to send the scoring sheets maybe through the Telegram channel as soon as you are done with it.
Okay, I will post it to Telegram channel. It's no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any questions, please? Dear colleagues, we have a time. We have a time until tomorrow, and I am very glad to work with you today, and I'm very glad to see your faces when you switch on your cameras. It's very okay. Okay, glad to see you. Glad to see all of you. And when you switch on your cameras, it's very interesting for me because we are from different countries with different faces, and all of us are interesting people. Thank you very much for your video, for your working, and I hope we will meet in together tomorrow, and we'll start tomorrow, and our work tomorrow with more reach, more effective, and we will start to check our not our check the works of our participants. Okay, for today, thank you very much for all. Bye bye, and see you tomorrow, this time, this place.